Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Doğan and I'm student at Kayadelen University and my department is Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I will present you my project. I did this project in Microprocessors lecture. My project is Burgler alarm system and is my code. Let's start. First I will introduce the equipments. This LM044L LCD. This is LCD keypad and door LED and alarm LED and buzzer in this LED is outside of door. This real-time module, as you can see here. This is pressure sensor and PIC18F45K22, and this is important for us because we can say this magnetic contactor in real life. Okay, let's enter our password. Press star. As you can see here, you see this is 4564 sin EEPROM. Let's enter this password. And here this outside of door, this inside of door, we can enter from here. As you can see, door opened, welcome. You can see door is opened and door is opened and we see welcome text. I wait a little bit to finish it. Okay, it returns and let's I want to mention about my algorithm. If the user enters correct password, inside of the door there is on the ground there is a pressure sensor, as you can see here. This pressure sensor starts from 15 to 120, I think. When password is right and if you press this pressure sensor on the ground, the alarm will not raise. Let's try. We will again enter the password and we will open, and after 20 we will see this magnetic contactor for our door. Yes, as you can see here, I'm increasing, but the alarm is not occurred. As you can see, you can close the door here. Yes. I will look my notes to some tests here. In this screen, these are yeah, I mean this LCD and this LCD connect same port because micro C has only one function to LCD. Let's assume we are administrator and we want to pass we need to access the admin menu. In that case, this outside of door, we can click the switch and this one, and we are inside. Let's click, and this is 7898, as you can see here. Okay, We are entering. I'm wrong. I will write again. Let's try. This is, I think it's not change. Anyways, it's not so important. We will change the password. And here, as you can see, this is our menu: daily mode, holiday mode, change admin pass, allow mounted entry logs. Daily mode and holiday mode change the normal password, and as you can see, we access admin menu, but outside of door the text is press star. Let's change daily mode password. Enter new code. Let's say 4565, and now we can close it. Of course, we must close and press star. We can click on this. Yeah, we change password. As you can see, we changed, but EEPROM doesn't come because of the Proteus, I think. Let's enter new passwords. As you can see, door opened. Welcome. We are waiting. This process is the same, but I want to finish this video earlier. Let's enter the admin. 7897. Okay, and holiday mode. We can change password. 4564. Okay, as you can see, it's done. This is done message. Okay, you can enter, but it's waste of time. And we can change admin password from here. Enter new code. Let's enter this one and square done to message, and press star. We will enter new code 7898 and hash. As you can see, we changed that password. The daily mode and holiday mode do the same process. They call same function, but for the development part, we can change the properties of these two function modes, daily mode and holiday mode. And let's close and open it again. Okay. As you can see in this screen, before mention about the pressure sensors, I have to explain how does it work. Let's look our codes. Yeah, init timer 0. I use timer 0 interrupt. Initializing timer 0. Just T0 con register. Let's look datasheet here. This timer 0 checks in every 50 milliseconds. This interrupt for timer 0. If timer interrupt like here occur, as you can see, these are really important parts here. Okay, if alarm set flag is 1, just read pressure sensor. If we have 3 conditions to raise an alarm, first one is alarm set is 1. In normally alarm set flag is 1. When the password is correct, it will be 0. Because of that reason, there is no an alarm case. There won't be an alarm case. If alarm set is 1 and pressure larger than deneme value, which is 20, and for C RC1 is 0, means our, as you can see here, magnetic conductor in real life. Okay, sorry, this is flag. I didn't choose what it can be used for improvements. And for C RB01, the for alarm activated and the for buzzer activated. In this time we can read real-time module, as you can see here, time, date values, passkeys, passage. Okay, so let's open it. And in the screen, this is door. I'm opening and I'm increasing, but as you can see here, buzzer is and alarm is okay. In this case, we will close the door and enter our password for closing. It's the 45545. Yes, as you can see, we close the alarm, and in this function I saved the real-time data to EEPROM. And here let's access the admin menu. I don't remember password. I'll try it. Yeah, yes. As you can see here, time and date 19/05/2018. This is the time, as you can see here. And it waits 10 seconds and return. And lastly, let's enter wrong passwords. We see access denied. Again, let's enter access denied, and we are trying access denied, and as you can see, warning, the alarm is occurred, and outside of door light is flashing, as you can see here. Yes, as you can see. And lastly, if if your neighbor wants to come to you and your home number is 5, let's assume, you can enter 55555. Do we open the door for gas? As you can see here, yeah, we can see neighbor can enter. It waits 10 seconds here, and it takes this value, and as you there it will be light on. As you can see, we need to switch off again, and we cannot accept any gas. And that's it. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in another video.